Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I want to show you the Cuban oreganos. As you can see, I like keeping them this way. You know, it looks more lovely, more nice. You could look at it and check that it's all, you know, working good. But when you leave them long like this, sometimes the bottom leaves, as you can see, they rot off. So then you get less production. So I rather keep it this way. I'm gonna show you how I did with this one. Hold on. Okay, here. As you see this one, you see that one? This little one is gonna grow, and plus this one is gonna grow, and then you ain't gonna be seeing this part. You'll be seeing it something like this, you know. So I'm waiting for that to happen, and as you can see, it's beautiful. I also have this other one. Look how beautiful. And I'm putting them in canisters. That's how, you know. And if you decide to sell them, you could get $3-4 for this, you know. So, saying this, and I also want to show you one thing. Look how big. Yeah, it's getting big. This is my soursop. It hasn't given none yet, but I hope soon it will give me soursop. I'll be so excited the day it does. So saying that, that'll be all for now. God bless you all. And hey, try this. Try to see if you could get some oregano, Cuban oregano, and you don't have to even buy oregano. You just take a little piece of it, you know, one leaf, and that should be enough for cooking. Because these oregano leaves are very big. Some, as you can see, they're as big as this, or it could be as small. This one is a very big one, but it could be small. And if you just need a little bit, you could just take it by the size. So, saying all this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.